What's up, y'all? I'm Sheeta, and welcome back to my little corner of the crafting universe. Today, I'm going to show you a quick, easy DIY making a bunny wreath using Dollar Tree products. All right, let's get into it. You're going to take 2 round wire wreaths. I got these from Dollar Tree. I also have 2 zip ties here. So first, I'm going to kind of stack the 2 wreaths together, kind of like intertwining them a bit. And then I'm going to thread through the zip ties to connect the 2 wreaths together and clip off the ends. So next I'm going to use this microfiber dusting pad I got from Dollar Tree. I got about 9 of these to completely cover both circles of the wire wreath. This is going to imitate fur. And I am making a bunny wreath because, you know, Easter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these around the wreaths, and then I'm going to hot glue the ends together on the back. And I'm going to do that for the entire wreath for both circles. Okay, so next up, I got this lavender like iridescent ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is going to be used to make the bow that goes on the front of the rabbit. I am not a bow maker. I'm not a professional at this. This is just me trying something out. I'm just, you'll see me working here to see what kind of looks good. I didn't measure anything. I just, went with my spirit here. And then once I figured out what I wanted, or if it looked right to me, I just hot glued it down. Okay, so I found these little bunny paw prints at Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 10. Obviously, I'm only going to use 2, but I guess you could use these to spread out throughout your home, the rest of them to show that the Easter bunny showed up. But I'm just going to hot glue these paw prints down on the bottom of the circle to, make it look like the little bunny feet. Okay, so now it's time to make the ears. I just took a scrap piece of cardboard I had from a random box and I just freehanded an ear shape. I'm going to cut that out, and then I'm going to take more of the microfiber dusting pads that I used as the fur around the wreath. I'm going to glue those onto this piece of cardboard. So in total, I ended up using, I want to say like about 11 of those dusting pads for this. Okay, so now I just took some pink construction paper and just freehanded, like the inside of the bunny ear, and I'm just gonna glue that on top of the fur covered ear that I made with the cardboard and the microfiber pad. All right, so now I'm just gonna hot glue those ears behind the top wreath so they look like cute little bunny ears. All right, and here's how it looks hanging from my door. Isn't it cute? All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.